Okay, so you've updated to macOS Sequoia, and you notice that your Photoshop droplets aren't working anymore. And so here's the screen I'm getting when I try to use a Photoshop droplet. Now I also have another video for other macOS versions, and that should be right up at the top of your screen. So let's fix this. First, we'll need to hit cancel, and that's important. Then go to System Settings, come down here to Privacy and Security, and then scroll all the way to the bottom here. And then under Security at the very bottom, you'll see this error message with whatever the name is was blocked to protect your Mac. This will only show up if you hit cancel though, so be sure to do that first. Now click Open Anyway. Then we'll get this error message and we'll say Open. You'll have to go ahead and use your thumbprint or password, and that's all you need to do. So now when I try it, it will go ahead and work like normal. And all that droplet does is actually like resize something. And that's it. If this tip was quick and helpful for you and you like getting your answers at the very beginning of the video, just subscribe because that's what I try to do in every video. And if this video didn't solve your problem, please leave a comment and I can try to help you troubleshoot. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.